Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I stated I was going to help people if they ever want a laser, something like this, and I've done several videos, and this is not really that different, but it would make it stand out so much better if you did this. And I'm going to have some people go, well, you could color map it and put colors in here, but the laser still got to run it twice. Color mapping, doesn't change from when it's running one time. If you had this blue and this red, it would still have to run it twice. So this, you have a little bit, to me, you have a little bit more control over it. So we're going to take our text and just move it out of the way. And we're going to nudge this off the page. And then we're going to nudge this one off the page twice. And this one off the page, I want the bigger one. And I am saying that this is going to take a little time. Control G and group that together, and then take that one and nudge over twice, maybe even 3 times, and group them together, Control G. And then I would put this back and I would run this at whatever speed you normally run. I'd actually move that little dot there too and include it. And if your board's perfectly level, perfectly square and going to fit right back in, you could remove your wood and sand this off. Sand all your birds and do residue off your deep engraving. Then just take the text, matter of fact, just take the whole thing and put it off your laser bed. Then run this job right on top of it. If you ran the other one at 100 power and 70 speed, run this one at a 80 power at 90 speed. And then if it's not quite dark enough, you can run it again. That's what's so nice about it. Then move that out of the way and run these at a little less power, and you can watch it sit there and see how it looks. Run it again if it's not deep enough. Just run it at less and less power, and then do the same thing for this. Now, the only difference is that these have outlines, but it's gonna be fine, I think. I've never really done this scroll. But when you finish engraving, it's gonna look like that. As I said earlier in the second video about color people that print, you could do different shades of colors, and this is gonna look fantastic. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.